In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to landscape in Google Docs. This is a simple process that can really make a difference in how your document is presented. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, let's get started by opening up your web browser. You can use any browser you like, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Once you've got your browser open, head over to the search bar and type in Google Docs. Hit Enter, and among the search results, you should see a link to access Google Docs. Click on that link to be navigated directly to their main page. Once you've arrived at the Google Docs homepage, the next step is to log in. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Use your credentials to sign in. This will grant you access to all of your saved documents and the ability to create new ones. If you're already logged in, you should automatically see your Google Docs dashboard with your documents listed. Now find and select the document that you want to change to landscape mode. It could be a document you've been working on for quite some time, or perhaps a new one that you're just starting. Click on the document to open it. With your document open, turn your attention to the top menu of the interface. You'll see various options such as File, Edit, View, and so on. What you're looking for here is the Format option. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several formatting tools available to you. From this drop-down, select Page Setup. This is where you'll find all the settings related to the page layout of your document. It's a handy feature that's not only useful for changing the orientation, but also for adjusting things like page size and margins. In the Page Setup window, look for the section labeled Orientation. Here, you'll see two options: Portrait and Landscape. Currently, your document is likely set to Portrait, which is the default orientation. To change it, simply click on the option that says Landscape. After you've chosen Landscape, the final step is to confirm your choice by clicking the OK button. This will apply the changes to your document, reformatting the page layout into a wide, horizontal view. This is especially useful for documents that contain tables or images that require more horizontal space. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your document to landscape orientation. This can be a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your pages, especially when including wider content. With these straightforward steps, you can easily adjust the orientation whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.